Hey, it's Neha. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. Today I am making chicken penne pasta. First and foremost, what you will need is a strainer, a pot of boiling water, salted water, and anything to fry your chicken with. So what I have is, I'll put them all right here, 3 cups of diced boneless, skinless chicken breast. The penne pasta, I have 5 cups. They're 2 for 5 servings. A cup of butter, 2 teaspoons of dried oregano, and 3 tablespoons of Montreal steak spice. So with the Montreal steak spice, it is kind of a cheat. In this there is salt, mustard, and red pepper, dehydrated garlic, and onions. So you can always just use fresh onions and fresh garlic if you need to, but I do like the salt in this and the pepper and everything, all the spices all mixed together, and it's a bit of a cheat, but it tastes good. So also I salted the water, so I'm going to add the penne pasta in the water. Right. And then I'm going to add the chicken as well. Alright, so the chicken is done. I like it a little bit brownish, so it is golden. If you can see here, delicious. And then the penne pasta, it is al dente. So we will be straining that in the strainer there and under cold water so that it stops the cooking process. And then once that's done, we will mix it in this wok. Strainer, can we just get this done already? So after you strain this, so I'm just running this on the cold water, like I said, and that's just to stop the cooking process. And now I'm just gonna take this. You ready for this? I don't think I am. The floors. Ooh. All right. Okay, now let's add the butter. So what you want to do is soak everything up with the butter. Again, that's 1 cup of butter. And we'll keep it at low just because you don't want to overcook anything in here. And it's just to contain the heat, and that's all. Alright, so it's all melted up and it's all coated with butter. And now we'll put our oregano in this, dry oregano, and the Montreal steak spice. Let's see, let's do it bits by bits. That looks delicious. It smells good too, actually. Oh, look at it! Alright, so I'm actually cooking for tonight's dinner. And then tomorrow's lunch as well, I'm bringing some from my mom. So again, this is about 5 servings. And yeah, I mean, it has, and you can always put broccoli in here, steamed broccoli. You can put carrots, you can put green peas, you can put anything that you want really. And then what I like to do at the end is melt some cheese in this too. Actually a lot of cheese because we love cheese. I mean, who doesn't? Alright, so let it all melt. Again, we're not cooking this, it's just melting in here. I can turn this off. Perfect. Well, since that will melt a little bit here, so I do want to say thank you for watching, and I do hope that you like this video and you like this dish. Maybe try it out and let me know what you think of it. Don't forget to subscribe, and those who already have, I thank you so much for doing so. I've reached 155 subscribers today. Do comment, do like the videos, share it with your friends. I will be doing more cooking segments actually, because I love to cook, and that's one of my main focus is food. And I think I'm going to switch the niche a little bit from the beauty stuff to go to more cooking. Again, thank you for watching. Babe, can you please help me? Strainer, can you please help me with this?
Come on, baby, stand what you're doing.